guys, it's your girl Proper. I am here today at my Cutie car Splash and Go. I'm gonna have some fun. I have some special friends coming through, so let's get started, guys. But first, let me show you how this car wash works. First, you grab your favorite Cutie car. I chose mine right here. And next, you get in the elevator and let's go up. This next part can get kind of messy, so make sure you have mom and dad around to help and a towel to collect the mess. Then next, the fun begins. And then you pull this lever here. Ooh. And then let's go into our color change bath. Let's see.
He's color changing.
Did it?
Yeah, he's color changing.
All right, let's pick it up. And let's bring it on down the wash. Ooh. That's one. And then let's put it back in the warm bath and see what it does. Back at the top. And let's put the warm water on it and let's see what happens. Oh, it changes back to white. Now that I've shown you all how to use the Splash and Go Cutie car wash, I think we will have some fun today. As a matter of fact, I think there's my friend. Let's see who's here. Hey girl! It occurred to me today that someone's having a Splash and Go Cutie car wash. Well, here I am. Well, thanks for coming on through, Grunge Girl. We'll get your car clean right away.
Okay.
Time for some detailing. Cool bath. And off you go to dry.
I'm so happy with my car turned out.
No problem, girl. Thank you for coming and showing us some support.
You're welcome.
Hey, what about me? Hey,
Independent Queen.
You didn't think I would forget about getting my car washed too, huh? Let's have some girl talk while the car goes through the wash. So say, girls, what's been going on?
It's just been a busy week for me.
Me too, girl, but I'm glad it's Saturday and I'm glad you guys are here to show some love. Independent Queen, let's go check on your car. It looks like it's almost done. I appreciate you girls for coming to get your cutie cars washed. Oh wait, is that my big sister, Uptown girl? Well, yes it is, little sister Proper. I was wondering if I can get my car washed. I guess I'll go ahead and get your car washed before Mom gets home. But I think it may be a little bit too big for my cutie car splash and go. But wait, I have another idea.